How to add social media links into Uscreen. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add social media links into Uscreen. So this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Uscreen account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to your home page, you can see different options, right? Move to the left side of the screen where you can see menu. Then scroll down to the website option and select that. So once you're on your website page, you can see the editing option by the right side of the screen where you have branding, navigation, catalog, advanced. So you would have to customize this particular website in order for you to add your social media links. Once you can see all of this, the next option is for you to select navigation. Alright, so once you're on your navigations page, the next thing to do is to scroll down to where you can see footer. So here you can see a number of navigation links added already. So you can just click on add navigation link and then enter in the title of the link. It could be your Instagram link. Ensure you enter it in here like Instagram username. Then you can go ahead to select the landing page where you want the link will direct you to. But since we're adding social media links, we'll make use of custom URL instead. Select use custom URL instead, then paste the link to your Instagram page here. Then move to the top right of the top right corner of the screen, click on save and apply, and then that particular social media link will be added to your Uscreen website. So you could do the same thing for as many social media links as you would like to add. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.